2022년 12월 29일 리버사이드 카운티의 이사야 코데로 부관은 주루파밸리에서 일반적인 교통 단속을 실시했습니다. 해당 차량은 차량 번호판 스티커가 부착되어 있지 않아 단속되었습니다.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Where are tags for your car?
They're in the... probably at the house.
Huh?
They're probably at the house.
Probably?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? And you see your driver's license and the registration.
My license is in my...
I'm sorry?
My license is in my bag.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Bleeding from the head.
What directions?
Keep going straight. They did say they were shot. Unknown about a GSW at this point.
Right here, right here. Right.
The helmet is on. They're not responding at all, and they appear to have a pulse.
Police never responded. Go to the street.
Isaiah!
Hey.
Isaiah! Can you hear us, brother?
Can you hear me?
Isaiah, can you hear
Can you
us?
hear us? Hey, listen to me. Can you hear me?
We heard the shot and I was working right there in my house in a black truck with a blue car.
You guys have your camera?
Camera.
Can we get this off? I got nowhere. I don't have anything. No idea what happened. I don't know if I can't tell if he's breathing or not.
Get them back. Have them scoot back.
I can't tell if he's breathing. I got a lot coming out.
Hey, get my
There you
AED.
Showcase you by his foot.
Got it. Give me somebody to hold his head. Yes, he looks to the face.
32살의 이사야 코데로 부관은 결국 사망 판정을 받았고 범인을 잡기 위한 대대적인 인간 사냥이 시작되었습니다. 코데로 부관의 바디캠 영상을 분석한 수사관들은 용의자가 폭력적인 역사를 가진 오토바이 갱단 출신의 44살 윌리엄 맥케이라는 사실을 밝혀냈습니다. 사건 발생 약 2시간 후 비번이었던 한 경찰관이 15번 고속도로 남쪽 방향을 달리고 있던 맥케이를 렌초 쿠카몬가 인근에서 포착했습니다. 이는 즉시 격렬한 고속도로 추격전으로 이어졌습니다. 용의자가 최초로 포착된 캘리포니아 렌초 쿠카몬가는 한국인들에게 아주 익숙한 기업이 있는 곳이기도 합니다. 바로 대한민국 대표 식품기업 농심의 미국 본사와 거대 제조 공장이 바로 이곳에 위치해 있는데요. 2005년에 설립된 이 공장에서 전 세계적으로 사랑받는 신라면이 매일 수백만 개씩 생산되어 북미 전역으로 공급되고 있습니다.
Now's the time. We're gonna pit him. We gotta pit him.
Chris, are the spikes coming from the shoulder or center divider?
Shoulder, we can't get to the center. It's just the car pulling.
I'm gonna move up and cut this dude off. Keep an eye out for spikes. I don't see anybody. I don't see any. I think he said Golden West. We're up. That's past traffic.
That's going to be approaching heavy traffic. Speeds are approximately 50, number 3 lane.
Let that Bearcat up front.
Stop 6 at Golden Destination.
Older, watch your right or left. Stop 6 are deployed. There's a guy, he's coming up to him.
What did he say? He's coming up to the spikes.
Okay, the vehicle just went over the spikes. Spikes are clear.
McGuire, fall back to number 2. K-9 44, the front 2 are deflated, successful spikes.
Can you guys in the slow lane move left? Bearcat's trying to get through.
The whole one lane's going to have a lot of traffic. You guys, you are approaching heavy traffic to a stop.
Oh, here he comes. I think he's gonna come up on the right. So he's got a lane? Yeah, we got a lane. Yeah, he's got a lane.
He's in the carpool lane.
He's coming up.
Okay, on the right. You're right on the right.
Looks like he's going to be getting off at Cordero.
Possibly exiting at Riverdale.
Shane, let that Bearcat in front of you.
McGuire, move.
노비도 블루버드에서 나간 맥케이는 차를 돌려 다시 고속도로 서쪽 방향으로 진입했습니다.
It's heavy traffic. It's back on the 60 west now.
There's too much congestion here, fellas, but when it's safe to do so, we're going to pit him with the Bearcat.
Freeway, real heavy traffic. He's going to be entering on the heavy traffic along the shoulder of the on-ramp. Okay, so along the shoulder, continuing 60, about 35 miles per hour, heavy traffic. He's in the emergency lane on the side of like a retaining wall, paralleling the freeway along Canal, in between Canal and the 60 westbound. And still right shoulder of the freeway, 30 miles per hour, heavy traffic. Going to be going over Pacific here. Next exit is going to be Valley Way in about a half mile. Two lane now, in between a couple lanes, about 40 miles per hour. And traffic's opened up a little bit.
Stand by for a pit.
Approaching Pyrite in Granite Hill.
The Pyrite exit here. Looks like there is some smoking coming out of the rear tire. Just lost it. The driver's side rear tire.
Make sure our speed's correct before we try that pit. We may be going too fast now.
Here's my passenger front tire. Okay, just smoke coming from that passenger front tire. He just lost that on the freeway. Passing the Pyrite exit, going towards Pedley exit.
So remember, this turns into a shooting. We're on the right-hand side. Watch your backdrop with the freeway on the left. We've got this concrete barrier, so it's a good backdrop, but keep your shots low if needed.
Over the bridge at Pyrite, number 1 lane, about 50 miles per hour, and light traffic.
This dude is a danger to all these poor people up here ahead. He's armed.
About 60 miles per hour, and very light traffic. And they got the other side of the freeway shut down traffic.
Dude, how much longer can that truck go on? It's the tires. Just need one more tire. It's got the left side still.
A few cars that entered the freeway at this on-ramp, but other than that, no traffic. 60 westbound, number 2 lane, about 50 miles per hour. It's like entering the 15 off-ramp. I'll advise north or south here in a second.
It's going 15 south. All right, 15 south. It's
So
better
he's
than
going to take
15
it
north.
south now. Entering onto the I-15 south here, about 35 miles per hour. Got a pit, 10 pit.
Pitted him. Successful? No, he's still going.
John 6 approaching second.
Just hit the center divider, smoke coming out of the tail end here. Secondary pursuit package, get ready to bail over that wall if he runs. We got a CHP stop via northbound traffic.
Where's he at? Where's he at? No, he's still moving.
Just a pit maneuver. Truck is still going southbound very slow. Speeds through the center divider, moving all the way over to the right hand side. About 15 miles per hour.
Clear the air. He's brandishing a handgun. He's shooting.
Get ready, buddy. Get ready.
Just TC right under the bridge.
Here we go.
Under the bridge.
맥케이는 그 자리에서 사망한 채 발견되었습니다. 보고서에 따르면 맥케이의 몸에서는 총 12군데의 총상이 확인되었으며 당시 현장에서 경찰들이 발사한 총탄과 탄피는 모두 79발에 달했습니다. 그리고 그가 타고 있던 트럭 내부에서는 이사야 코데로 부관을 살해하는 데 사용되었던 범행 화기가 그대로 발견되었습니다. 법원 문서로 확인된 윌리엄 맥케이의 공식 범죄 기록은 그의 폭력성을 고스란히 보여줍니다. 그의 범죄는 1998년 단순 가택 침입으로 시작되었지만 이듬해인 1999년 총기를 사용한 폭행 혐의로 3년형을 선고받으며 그의 첫 번째 스트라이크 기록이 등록됩니다. 2006년에는 로스앤젤레스 카운티에서 무장강도 및 치명적인 무기를 이용한 폭행 혐의로 두 번째 스트라이크를 맞으며 13년의 중형을 선고받았고 2016년에 만기 출소했습니다. 그리고 사건 전해인 2021년 그는 사막에서 20마일에 걸친 고속 추격전을 벌이다 체포되었습니다. 당시 동승했던 공범이 경찰견을 칼로 찌르는 등 격렬히 저항했고 맥케이 역시 감금, 도주, 협박 등의 혐의로 유죄 판결을 받았습니다. 기록대로라면 그는 세 번째 스트라이크를 적용받아 사회로부터 영구격리 대상이 되었어야 했습니다. 하지만 반전이 있었습니다. 담당 재판 판사는 피해자가 감금된 장소에서 강제로 멀리 이동되지 않았다는 법적 허점을 근거로 납치 혐의에 대해 무죄를 선고했습니다. 이로 인해 강력한 처벌이 무산되었고 결국 그는 보석으로 풀려나 코데로 부관을 마주하게 된 것입니다.
We are here today to mourn and honor a good man who was tragically taken from us. We lost a deputy, the Cordero family lost a son, and the world lost a good man. If you believe in God, you know that our time is set, it is limited, and it is not guaranteed. Sometimes we actually blame God as if it is His fault. Sometimes there are just no answers. One of the more common Bible verses to explain where evil comes from is found ironically in the book of Isaiah. Chapter 6, verse 8, when God asked, "Who shall He send?" Isaiah stood up and said, "Send me." Deputy Isaiah Cordero stood up and said, "Send me."